How to Create Business Reports with Gemini AI Professional Guide 2025. Step 1. Open Gemini and prepare your data. Go to gemini.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and gather your notes, figures, spreadsheets, or documents for the report. Step 2. Upload or paste information. Upload files or paste your business data directly into Gemini. Step 3. Enter a clear prompt. Ask Gemini something like create a professional business report with an executive summary, analysis, and recommendations. Step 4. Choose report style. Request a formal tone, headings, bullet points, or specific sections. Step 5. Review, edit, and export. Check the content for accuracy and clarity, then copy or export the final report to Google Docs, Word, or PDF for sharing.